Frosting is one such medium through which you can introduce so many new flavors in your cake. This peanut butter cream cheese frosting without butter has a unique flavor in itself, which makes it definitely worth a try. Combined with the peanut butter cake or a chocolate cake, boom, you have a new flavor right there. So let's get started. No matter what type of frosting you're making, if it has icing sugar in it, you have to sift it, and not just once but at least twice, just to make sure there are no lumps in it which can make your frosting gritty and be very unpleasant to eat. So once done, let's put this to a side for a while and start with the frosting. Add cream cheese to a medium bowl and start mixing until it is creamy. Few pointers about cream cheese here: make sure you are using a full fat block type cream cheese and not the ones from the tub or the spreadable ones. The cream cheese must be cold, and lastly, do not whip it for more than a minute, just up to a point where it is lump free and creamy. And if you would like to know the whys behind all these pointers, you can consider reading our blog post Spices and Flavors for more details. Basically, to know the science and the logic behind using a particular ingredient in a particular form. Okay, so once done, add the peanut butter and beat well until combined. Again, this also won't take long, about a minute or so. And what type of peanut butter to be used? Definitely the smooth and creamy ones. Do not go for the natural peanut butter or the crunchy peanut butter. And why so? Again, the details are shared on the blog. Acha, another key point about making a frosting is that make sure you stop in between every now and then to scrape the sides of the bowl to ensure there is even mixing. Once done, next we will be adding out the icing sugar and beat it well too for about a minute. Scrape down and finally add the whipping cream and vanilla essence and beat together until you get stiff peaks. As you can clearly see, at this stage it is not ready yet. The frosting is still loose. Beating a little more. And now when you lift the hand beaters, you can see that peaks are intact here. So that's the stage. Let's test it with a spatula as well. Take some on it and invert, and if the frosting doesn't fall, this means it is now ready to be used to be frosted on sides of the cake and also to be able to pipe on cakes or cupcakes. I use this frosting to make the easiest cake ever in not one but 4 different flavors. If this interests you, the video is coming up next, so please do consider subscribing to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any future updates. That's it for this one. I'll see you soon with yet another one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye bye.